Easy way to boot from USB on HP laptops to install Windows 10 and 11. This method works on all HP laptop models from Generation 3 to Generation 7, released between 2015 and 2020. Insert the USB flash drive into a USB port. Turn on the PC. Immediately press F10 to enter the BIOS setup. Select Main. Then choose Apply Factory Defaults and Exit, and select Yes. Immediately press F9 to open the boot menu. Immediately press F9 to open the boot menu. Select the USB flash drive, UEFI Kingston Data Traveler, and then press Enter. Note: if your laptop doesn't boot from a USB, make sure the USB is bootable. Try using a different flash drive. Wait until a welcome screen will be displayed to install Windows 11. Select preferred language and click Next. Click Install Now.